How to succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. Successful affiliate marketers can make thousands of dollars in commission payments every month. In order to succeed in the field, you need to be aware of affiliate scams to avoid and effective marketing techniques to use. This video presents some of the top tips that all affiliate marketers need to know. If people don't enjoy your emails, then they'll stop watching them or even worse, unsubscribe. You can gain new customers by using the emails that have performed best in the past. Affiliate programs that offer front and back-end offers are worth a second look. Back-end offers can net you money for years to come depending on the life cycle of the product. Affiliates offering back-end money are harder to find, but they are worth the work. Receiving multiple commissions from one customer will keep the money flowing. Choose affiliate marketing categories that you are familiar and comfortable with. If you love books, choose affiliates that sell books. If you would rather get a root canal than pick up a book, you should avoid those affiliates. Familiarization with a category increases your ability to make good choices about ad placement. Your affiliate website provides your income, so you have to be sure it works perfectly. You need to use a web hosting company with adequately equipped facilities with a guarantee of 99% uptime. Choose a hosting plan according to the traffic you expect. It is also wise to choose a hosting company who provides the customer service you need. There are lots of sites, books, newsletters offering get-rich affiliate marketing ideas for a smaller investment. Do not believe in these products and don't waste your money buying them. They may give you a few good ideas, but you definitely won't become a millionaire using their strategies overnight. Affiliate marketing requires hard work and it takes several months to start generating considerable income. While affiliate marketing can offer the prospect of a lot of money, you must do your research so that you understand how it works. You should want your site or blog to rank as high in search as you can. You can then earn better links from affiliates and profits. By considering, implementing and expanding on the affiliate marketing advice and ideas found in the tips presented in this video, you should be able to develop a profitable affiliate marketing plan of action, carry it out and be on your way to becoming a master of the affiliate marketing world. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.